I want to introduce you first to ASCP, American Society for Clinical Pathology, and share with you the exciting news that this is actually our 100th anniversary. And we have a whole host of celebrations and activities leading up to our annual meeting to mark this anniversary. But in spirit of that, I wanted to share with you a little bit about the history of ASCP. Next slide. So, ASCP was actually founded in 1922. It was the very first pathology association founded, I think, in the world. And it was actually during an American Medical Association meeting. And the name clinical pathology or clinical pathologist comes from the fact that these were physicians who got together. And so the clinical word doesn't refer to clinical versus anatomic pathology because anatomic pathology didn't exist yet. But refers to the medical nature, the diagnostic medicine that we do. So ASCP is the home for all pathologists and laboratory professionals. We are actually the parent organization and lend support to a lot of the organizations that you may also be familiar with, like the Board of Pathology and CAP, actually, and more recently have supported and partnered with the Society for Black Pathologists. So we have a lot of relationships out there with other organizations. And in the spirit of Women's History Month, we're actually the first National Medical Association to have a female president, Dr. Emma Moss, back in 1955. So kudos there. And more recently, you may have heard about our launch of the Partners for Cancer Diagnosis and Treatment in Africa initiative. So lots of exciting stuff coming from ASCP. The website below, or if you just Google ASCP 100 anniversary, there's a video there and some other cool history about this organization that you may be interested in.